So here's the thing. Um, Oray na intro. Well, I'm going to video this to be a document. It's like a documentation for me. Instead of instead of making it through journal, I'm going to vlog it for this video. In order for me, in how many years from now, um, I'm going to back to babalik ako sa video na to, and then so to serve it as like my foundation. Anyways, currently graduating, and how many days na lang graduation na sa high school, senior high. And this is inspired by the movie Whiplash. That movie is so great. It talks about passion and career. And I'm currently sick, having cough. Yeah, because this is my weakness. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to share my thoughts and everything. So first of all, my realizations. My realizations and my weaknesses. Throughout my high school career, I've been career driven. But in the late high school, like in senior high school, I've been into some love kind of thing. I've been talking to a lot of girls. Tapos, I'm doing good in academics, but at the same time, in senior high school, I've been talking to a lot of girls. Nothing much, exploring anything, joining every extracurricular activities that I can join. And yeah, the Maritime Academy of Asia and the Pacific is like my go-to school for now. And I'm still waiting for the IOP, where we will get more than a month of training without any gadgets or communication from the outside. So, also, now I realize that I'm not a Superman. I'm not a superhero. I always think that I can do anything. I can be best. I am the best. But sorry. But life sometimes comes with equality. Sometimes you are in sometimes you are down, sometimes there are better. No, not just sometimes. There will be always better than you, no matter what field are you in. There will be always better than you. The fact that di ako natuto na magpasalamat sa mga ginawa-gawa ko, na kahit para sa iba, great na, para sa akin, hindi pa rin kasi parang kulang. I'm too hard on myself to achieve, to becoming the best. But sometimes, I do some dirty stuff, like cheating, and anyways, it's just like a strategy, but for me, it's dirty. So it's like, not accepted, not valuable. I always felt guilty about the things that I've been doing wrong, and mistakes that I'm doing. And I'm always guilty about that, thinking every day, each day. And growing up, always familiar with competition. I've been competitive since I was a child, and the result is very good, but slightly it has side effects, like I don't know how to be grateful and learn to love myself, because I'm too hard on myself for doing the best as I can be. That's the number one, being too hard on myself. Number two is being addicted to porn. Yeah. Generally, it is well known for us and men. But now in this generation, it's common. Any genders, because there are so many genders now. It really fucked up my mental health and my religious beliefs, because although scientifically it is not harmful, but if you're if you get addicted to it, then that's the wrong thing. I'm the type of person na addicted. That's why I am always I have always ano, parang nahihirapan ako lagi pag nag gusto ko magbago, gusto ko makontrol, ganun. Yeah. Tapos yeah, being hard on myself, born addict, and being prideful, yun. In order for me to grow, I must need to learn how to love myself, to be grateful for all the things that is happening. I am frustrated because in our rankings, I get down usually because throughout my high school career I was in second place, first place, but now in grade 12 I become fifth place. But I am the first in with high honors, although I want to chase that with highest level. Only one, I got the average of 97. Isa na lang. But I guess it's not for me. I guess it teaches me how to be contented, because that's too great actually. Like commonly 90 is the basis of great, diba? But 97 is, it's like I got just this feeling na isa na lang ba, parang nakukulangan ako na sayang, diba? Isa na lang, 98 na no. Kasama na ako sa 5, apat lang yung with highest namin. Ngayon, they are very intelligent, to be honest. They have unique sets of skills. The other one is good in politics, arguments. The other one, the valedictorian, well, I was attracted to her before. Fell in love with him for just a month, but I guess hindi yun para sa amin. Yeah. And the other one's good in mathematics. All of them is unique. I really sometimes get jealous of them. I compared a lot. Oh, here we go. Comparison. Comparison is the thief of joy. Always don't compare yourself, because you're always unique. Although comparison sometimes lead us to be better than who we are yesterday. Because sometimes it drives us to be better. It becomes our motivation. But it's wrong. Because when it comes, yes, it has bad sides and good sides, but mostly kinukuha yung happiness, wala nang ligaya, diba? Kasi parang kinukumpara mo na masyado sarili mo. Imbis maging grateful ka kasi nakaya mo to. Eh yung iba, di nga kaya yung ginagawa mo eh. Diba? Yun. That is also why sometimes I hate socializing, because I am jealous about their circle of friendship, their attitudes. I always admire those people na mababait, energy, sociable, ganun. Yeah. Ano na yun? These are my weaknesses. Ano na? Realizations lang. Besides sa ubo na to physically. Yeah. Being hard on myself, Like, I don't love myself, porn addict, and comparing myself to others, being jealous of it. I have a lot of weaknesses, to be honest. Dati ko pa to nare-realize. Nahihirapan ako mag-apply ng pagbabago para baguhin yun. Ha? Oo. Tama ba to? Humbot. That's why, thankful ako kasi I have my career. Actually, gusto ko yung career ko, mapunta sa ibang bansa. That's all. And I want to see myself on a nice, disciplined type of person who is neat looking, snappy, and I guess being a Marine is one of it. Just like my father. My father is my idol. No, not idol. It's like my guide, my ideal guide, diba ganun? Because he's a man, not just handsome looking, but he's a man. He's truly a man. He knows how to love my mother. He becomes the father of our family, responsible for everything, you know. Everything. He owns it. He's the best. That's why I admire him so much. And I want to be him, but with a twist. Because I'm going to use this as my scapegoat through my education. But it will not determine my career. Because here in the Philippines, you need to be practical. We are limited. I should say that. Compared to other countries that have good educational system, here we are limited. I can say that it's not because we're also learning everything. But compared to other countries, you can be an astronaut, like astronaut talaga. Yun talaga yung pinakaano ko. Highest dream, beyond space. I like space when I was a kid. Yeah. But for now, I want to see myself on a disciplined suit where if I can be a graduate from that school, from that very fantastic school, then as a scholar, then I'm thankful for it. Bahala na si Lord because He has a plan. He has a plan of everything. My mother taught me how to be religious. And I'm still learning. I can make mistakes while I'm saying this. But my perspective in world, everything is not just that great pa. I need to learn everything pa. But take it slowly. In terms of love, this grade 12, I am courting someone whose name is Alyssa. She's pretty. She's kind. But our parents want what's the best for us, and we both thought that we should follow our career first. That's why Whiplash also inspired me today, even though I'm having cough. It's very hard kaya na maging motivated pero parang may sakit ka ganun. And also, fun fact, overthinking everything also affects your health. Yeah, like last 2 weeks, nagpa-medical ako sa Cebu as part of the process in MAAP. And I weighed 72.5 kilograms. And now, nung nagpa-check up na kami, 63 na lang. So, actually, di ako kumain ng mga kahit ano kasi bawal nga. That's one factor. But I guess also thinking too much is a factor. I lose a lot of games I skipped to the gym for like 2 weeks. My deltoids are so fucking weak now. I can't even do 50 push-ups. I did not have stretches, but I'm going to swim so that the sea breeze, yung amoy, mawala. Yeah. Pasaway din talaga kasi ako eh. So, you know, that adventurous kid, clingy, sobra energetic, pero pag na dakip na ng ubo, pak, reset. Di ba? I'm always thankful for Lord for everything. There's always reason for everything. The other weakness is that I'm also short-tempered. I have anger management issues. That side was from my mom. She has always picked a tantrum sa akin. But yun lang. Yun lang talaga yung ano. Hindi naman siya issue pero yan, anger management issues lang talaga. Although I'm practicing it, but it's hard. Prideful, comparing, being hard on myself, porn addict, and anger management issues. That's marami pa pero I'm trying to be a better person. Now, we identified it. Marami pa pero yeah. My plan is to graduate first. In MAAP, maybe I can learn everything to be my better self. For now, I'm doing my best. Pero, I still lack of discipline. It's like, my face now as of the moment, have fun while it lasts because I'm graduating in high school, which is the second phase of education. Third is college. It depends for me kasi elementary, meron pa nga daycare nursery. Elementary, high school, college na kami. Yun. Lapit na. My other classmates, they qualified for the IQ examination in Northwest Samar State University in our place. So, congrats to them. I admire them really for handling my tantrum, for understanding me so much. They become my friends for how many years? Some started in grade 11, some started in elementary, some started in grade 7. But I'm thankful for all of them. If they watch this video, love ko sila lahat. Kahit sometimes I'm acting weird, I'm acting foolishly. Di ko lang maano kasi, although may hesitant ako minsan mag-approach sa kanila kasi random ako eh. Gusto ko lahat parang kaibigan ko, kapatid ko sa room. Parang normal na lang sa akin na ganun ako magumusta. Diba? Okay na yun. May trademark din sa akin na si Nico. Pag maalala nila si Nico, random yan, ganun. Tapos ito, yung ubo, diba? Tantrum talaga eh. Yun talaga, the best. The school has been a big part of my life. Without school, di ako din ganito ngayon, to be honest. Although, because it's life. It's beautiful, to be honest. Sometimes you fall, sometimes you fall, sometimes you levitate ang puta. Hindi, parang ando nga sa taas ba? That's how life becomes meaningful. Kasi without challenges, without problems, hindi na parang wala na, parang walang silbi buhay pag walang purpose. Pag di ka nahihirapan, parang pag hindi ka nahihirapan, parang it's a sign of happiness. na parang na-achieve mo na siguro yun kasi na parang nakampante ka ba. Pero lagi naman tayo nahihirapan eh. Hindi naman yung mawawala. Yun lang, sometimes problems come. Wala naman sa plano ng mga problema eh. Di ba? Pero andyan na eh. Yin yang. Yin yang talaga. Balance. Kasi hindi naman mawawala eh. Lagi lang tayo handa. For me, those advices that I've been telling to my friends, ina-apply ko din sa sarili ko. Kaya dapat siguro, bago mo ipagmalaki, dapat siguraduhin muna. Ah, shit, man. Ayaw kasi mag-good. Pero ayun na. Yeah. How many days na lang mag-graduate na kami. Good luck sa amin. And maybe how many years makita ko tong video na to. Successful man ako hindi, at least natuto na ako magmahal sa sarili ko. Makontento ko ano yung nagawa ko and be grateful for what I have. Kung meron man akong jowa, at least how many years from now, mahalin mo ng totoo nito. Huwag ka magpadala sa temptasyon kasi andyan lagi yan. I'm always going to cheer you up, kuya. Kasi 18 pa lang ako ngayon, baka pag napikita mo to, mga 20s ka na. 22, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 27, 28, diba? Ayaw mo kasi ng pangit eh. Gusto mo ng maganda. Ganun talaga. Ganun ka na talaga. Itsura, base ka talaga sa itsura eh. Kasi ikaw, sarili mo, alam mo, mabait ka. Diba? Lahat naman ng tao may mga pangit na ugali. Base ka sa itsura. Diba? Kahit nga pangit, naging pasaway, diba? Kahit nga maganda, naging mabait, naging pasaway. Lahat na naman ng tao eh. Base ka sa itsura, baka mamaya maganda talaga girlfriend mo. Pag pinanood niya to, diba? Matatawa talaga yun. Dito ka pa sa probinsya, baka mamaya taga Manila yan eh. Baka probinsyano pa yung galawan mo dito. Pag napanood mo na to, tawang-tawa ka talaga. Pero makikita ko, maging successful ka. Makapunta ka sa ibang bansa. May kamit mo yung dream girl mo. Yung dream na mga gagawin mo. Kasi, dream talaga natin. Meron tayong kotse, bahay, ganun. Pero lagi ko iniisip, may mention na ako, pero di naman ako sumasaya sa pinagagawa ko. Wala din akong jowa, ganun. Wala din sa pamilya, na mama, wala din. Parang isa lang ako sa kama. Naglalaro lang ako ng Fortnite. Masturbating everyday, di ba? Wala din. Sometimes, people have point na maging masaya ka talaga sa anong pinagagawa mo. Happiness comes from our memories kung anong ginagawa natin na gusto natin. Hindi ko sa materialis, pero di naman madadala yan eh. Pagpatay na tayo eh. Yung madadala na lang natin is yung mga naturuan natin, yung mga nagawa natin sa ibang tao. Kasi it will reflect to them. And baka ipasa pa rin sa generations nila. That's why the greats don't want to be like normal people. They become delusional because they only have one mindset. They don't want to be normal because they want to be remembered. Kasi great sila eh. Ayaw nila na namatay sila. Wala lang. Pero syempre, wag kang magawa ng masama na hindi makakalimutan. Like, gawin mo yung tama na to the point na naka-invent ka, ganun. Or anything na maganda. Wag lang yung mga scenes na nakapatay ka ng tao. Wag lang ganun. Like, be one of the best basketball players. Yun. May pasobra pa. Yun na. Wala na yung iba. This is maybe my last video na gagawin sa YouTube. I've been a fan of anything. Like, lahat na lang gusto gawin eh. Pero dapat kasi ngayon natuto ko na di na ako bata eh. Pwede na ako makulong. So, andun pa din yung fun, pero may disiplina na. And at the same time, may prayers. Fun, discipline, prayers. Yun talaga. Respeto, andyan na. Andyan na nga lahat. Andyan na lahat, kayang gawin ng tao. Kung may problemang darating na ikaka-depress at ikaka-trauma, i-pray ko na lang na makaya ko yun. This week nga, galit na galit ako kasi di nga ako kasasawid ayos. Siguro yung ego ko, yung pride ko yung nagsasalita that time na to the point na ayaw ko pumunta sa ano eh. Pero yun pala nag-held back sa akin eh. Yan pala. Okay naman akong tao eh. Pride lang talaga nagdadrive sa akin, kaya pala na parang ayaw ko makiano, parang galit ako sa lahat ng tao kasi gusto ko ako lang yung parang naging narcissist na talaga ako. Sobra. Pero tanggap ko na eh. Mahal ko na kung pinagagawa ko. Sabi pa ni Eliza, career muna. Tama siya. Kasi kung para naman talaga sa isa't isa, pagtatagpo naman kayo ulit eh. Para naman, love can wait eh. If it fails, it's not love. But if it works, it's love. No matter ano pa. Makinig na lang muna kami sa mga parents namin. Dami kong sat-sat pero kaya yan. Aro eh. Hindi ako nag-edit. Marunong ako mag-edit pero mga ano lang, elementary. Yeah. See you guys in a bit. Alam ko kung sino man nanonood dito, successful na kayo. Mga classmate ko, may kilala sa akin. Masaya ka rin, magiging masaya rin ka. Kung nasa point ka na low kayo, pray lang. Kung di kayo religious, meditate for 10 minutes. I know it can help. I'm not a psychiatrist, but those are just basic fundamentals na pwede nyo gawin. And it's proven. Ginawa ko eh. Kahit di ka religious, pero marunong ka mag-meditate, it can help. And also love your parents.